Hey foodies! It's been a little while, but we're back on Food for Life with some exciting new recipes. Let's jump right in and make something delicious together. Today, we're making a delicious Eid special Afghani Gosh, meaning elephant ears. Isn't that a funny name? These crispy, fried pastries are a sweet treat that melt in your mouth, and I'll be showing you how to make them using just a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. In a large bowl, crack 4 eggs. Add half a cup of warm milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. Give everything a nice mix until it's well combined. Now gradually add in 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup at a time, and mix until you get a soft, smooth dough. If it feels a little sticky, you can dust in a bit more flour, but don't overdo it. Once your dough is ready, cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. This will help the dough become more elastic and easier too. While the dough is resting, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another delicious recipe from my kitchen. Alright, now that the dough has rested, divide it into small balls, about the size of a golf ball. Lightly flour your surface and flatten each ball like so. You can use dough roller or machine to stretch the dough flat. The thinner the dough, the better. Next, cut the long dough into pieces like so. They don't have to be perfectly equal in size. Now use your hand to shape it like so, almost like a leaf. This is where the name gosh or elephant ears comes from because of their unique shape. Now heat some oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, gently place 1 or 2 pastries at a time into the oil. Fry them until they're golden and crispy, about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Take them out and place them on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Once they've cooled slightly, dust them generously with powdered sugar. You can also sprinkle some crushed pistachios for a beautiful finish. And that's it, your beautiful Afghani gosh are ready to serve. Crispy, sweet, and perfect for Eid celebrations. Eid Mubarak. In advance to all of you and your families, may your homes be filled with joy, blessings, and, of course, delicious food. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your loved ones. See you next time with more festive recipes.
Like and subscribe.